The Mekong Delta is a place where life moves gently, just like its rivers. Here, you can experience the simple joys of daily life and connect with the warm-hearted locals. Start your journey by making bánh xèo, a crispy pancake filled with fresh ingredients like cream, pork, and bean sprouts. The local will guide you step by step, and soon you'll be flipping pancakes like a pro. Next, listen to the enchanting sounds of the Cai Be, traditional music that tells stories of love and life in the countryside. Don't miss the chance to take a boat ride through the narrow canals. The water is calm and both sides are lined with tall coconut trees. It's the perfect way to soak in the peaceful beauty of the delta. For a closer look at the village life, hop on a bicycle and ride along the quiet path. You are passed by green rice fields, simple wooden houses, and friendly locals who always wave and smile as you go by. Come and experience the Mekong Delta, where every moment is a memory waiting to happen.